We're diving into 法則, a word you'll hear in science classes, math problems, and when people talk about general rules. Picture sounding more natural when you can express ideas like these in Japanese. That's the basic rule you must follow. The rule explains how the system works. There is a rule that governs this behavior. Watch the video to master 法則 and start using it naturally. 法則, 法則. The word 法則 means a general law or rule that describes how things behave. In one sense, 法則 refers to scientific or natural laws, like the laws of physics, that consistently explain phenomena. In another sense, 法則 can mean a rule or regular pattern you follow in systems, experiments, or everyday procedures. In short, 法則 equals a consistent law or rule. The first kanji means law and method. You see it in words like 法律 and 方法. In 法律, this kanji gives the idea of law or legal system. In 方法, it gives the idea of a way or method. The second kanji means rule and principle. You see it in words like 規則 and 原則. In 規則, this kanji shows a rule or regulation. In 原則, it shows a basic principle or general rule. Laws of nature. 自然の法則. 自然の法則. To follow a law, conform to a rule. 法則に従う. 法則に従う. To discover a law. 法則を発見する. 法則を発見する. A law holds is valid. 法則が成り立つ. 法則が成り立つ. Universal law. 普遍的な法則. 普遍的な法則. The most common synonyms of the 法則 are 規則 and 原理. 規則 refers to rules or regulations typically set by people or organizations and emphasizes prescribed behavior or procedures, while 法則 often implies a natural or observed regularity. 原理 means underlying principles or fundamentals, more abstract and theoretical, focusing on basic causes or concepts, whereas 法則 is used for law-like patterns or consistent regularities. The most common antonyms of the 法則 are 不規則 and 例外. 不規則 means lack of regularity or disorder and is the direct opposite of the consistent pattern implied by 法則. 例外 denotes a specific case that does not follow a rule or law, highlighting a deviation rather than a general absence of pattern.